What's up noobs, today I'm going to give you a free YouTube profile picture and channel banner template that will get you all the ladies. First go to the link I put in the description and scroll all the way down till you see a download button, then download that shit. Once you're done with that, go to the next link I put in the description, then click download. Don't worry, it's not a virus, you silly potato. Once you find it in your files, you will see that it is a .rar file. You cannot open this file without the WinZip application. Don't worry, I've got your back. I'm giving the link to download WinZip in the description. Download that shit. This is the Mac version of WinZip. I don't know how to get the Windows version, so if you are a Windows user then it sucks to be you. Yeet, I'm just kidding. This version is for both. Open WinZip and find the template file. It will most likely be in the downloads section. Once you have found the template file, just double click it. You will see two Photoshop files. Click the channel banner one first. And there's the template. All you have to do is put your name. To do this, just follow what I do. Adjust your name so it doesn't look so cringe. Also, if you aren't antisocial unlike me, you can add your socials by clicking the drop down arrow in this folder. Just unhide the layers by clicking the little eye. Now do the same thing you did before. Put in your name. You can also adjust the size of the text by highlighting it and pressing the thing at the top. When you're done, go to the top left, press File, Save As, name it whatever you fucking want. Just make sure you save it as either a JPEG file or PNG. I prefer PNG because I'm racist like that. Now that you're done with the channel banner, it's time to move on to the profile picture. Go back to the WinZip shit and click the file. You guessed it, you do the same thing you did before. See, you're so close to being a professional graphic designer. I'm proud of you. Press Ctrl T to adjust text size easier. See, it's already looking pretty. Now save that shit. Well, now look at that. Now you got your very own channel stuff. Congratulations, you have now become a chick magnet. Make sure to like and subscribe, cause why not? See you in the next video, pal.